Happy Wednesday, everyone. Let's have a quick look at what you're working on in the folder for today. I've already got the Wednesday, May 20 folder expanded. The first thing you're going to do, where it says number 1, is click into where it says respond to 2 classmates about the Monday story. There's going to be a link in that first assignment for you to go back to Monday's discussion post about the history of communication. So what you're going to do is respond to 2 people who watched the other 2 videos that you didn't watch about what you learned from them. So after you do that, you're ready to move into number 2, which is a new set of vocabulary words. So check out the video that Mrs. Hovey did, and then you'll be ready for the puzzle piece assignment that comes under number 2. That's your vocab matching quiz. All of that is to prepare you for the second story for this week. So there's a short story that I read to you about a language that's been invented by children, people like you. That's number 3, and what you're doing is looking for the central idea, what that story is mostly about. After you do that, your spelling words quiz is right underneath number 3, so check that out. Then you're moving into your fluency practice. So same passage that Mrs. Lang read to you on Monday, but new questions. After you do that, you're working on your recipe writing if it's not finished. The writings are due tomorrow, Thursday, May 21st. That's the last day to finish up your writing for your recipe, so that Mrs. Hovey and I have time to make edits and get those into the final cookbook. Okay, so if you're finished with your recipe, you're moving on to the next set of assignments. If you see your name anywhere below the recipe writing, make sure you take care of those jobs. Okay, so number 6 is your reading log. So you're going to read for about 20 minutes and then take care of that assignment. The last major assignment in this folder is music, so check out what's going on in there. After you've completed your reading assignments for Wednesday and you've done your ELL assignments, anything from Mrs. Diggins, band, orchestra, or MTSS, then check out Senko's feed. There's a link like always. There's a link to practice your typing skills. There's also a link with other optional activities at the very bottom of the Wednesday folder. Please don't forget about Miss Checo's survey if you haven't done that. That link is going to move through the folders for this entire week, so please do that if you haven't. I also want you to be aware of the groups that are at the top of your page. Don't forget about Miss Checo, Mrs. Hensel, and the nurses groups. As always, if you have questions about anything, please don't hesitate to message me or come to the chat when it's open. All right, that's it for this video. I will talk to you later.